In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate audio from video in Premiere Rush. Whether you're looking to adjust your audio independently from your visuals, or perhaps wanting to incorporate a different soundtrack, this process can be incredibly useful in optimizing your video projects. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you're equipped with everything you need to get started. First things first, you'll want to import your video into the timeline. Get your project ready by launching Premiere Rush and opening the sequence where your video clip is located. If you haven't imported the clip just yet, you can simply drag and drop your video file into the timeline. Once it's there, scan through your clips and select the one that has the audio you want to separate. It's important to make sure this is the right clip because the changes you make will specifically affect the selected media. Now that your clip is highlighted, we're ready to separate the audio. If you're working from a desktop, the process is nice and straightforward. All you have to do is right-click on the clip that you've selected in your timeline. A menu will pop up with multiple options. From there, you'll want to choose Separate Audio. This is where the magic happens. After you choose Separate Audio, Premiere Rush will automatically place the audio track onto the first available audio track in your timeline. You'll see that a new audio-only clip has appeared. This visually confirms that the audio has been successfully separated from your video. Now, the original video itself will have its audio muted, or the audio portion removed entirely. This means you're free to work with the visuals and audio tracks independently, allowing for greater creative control. You can now move, edit, or manipulate the audio separately from your video. Maybe you want to adjust the timing of certain sounds, or swap it out for an entirely different piece of audio. Whatever your creative vision, separating the audio from your video in Premiere Rush gives you the freedom to explore and experiment without affecting your original footage. This step can be incredibly helpful for fine-tuning your projects. Whether you're looking to make professional-grade videos or simply want to refine your content for better storytelling, separating audio from your video clips in Premiere Rush is a crucial skill that can elevate your editing capabilities. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to separate audio from video in Premiere Rush. Now, you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to keep enhancing your video editing toolkit.